Hi everyone, it's Erin Peliquin from Digital Photography for Moms. You might have just watched how I explained how you can use the Digital Photography for Mom Instagram templates to make collages that you can upload to Instagram. So I've just walked you through how to install the collages, the templates, how to use them, and how to print them to a JPEG, quote unquote, print them to a JPEG that you can then upload to Instagram. So I am going to show you what I do from this point. I save this collage to my library, and I always save the photos that I want to post on Instagram to this folder that is called Photos for Instagram. There you go. Now, I've just printed the file that you saw of the child into this folder. However, I haven't synchronized the folder yet. I right-clicked on the folder, selected Synchronize, and it's going to import new photos for me. And so I actually printed it twice there. I'll go ahead and select Import and import both of them. Now let me close this navigator to make it easier to see. Down here in my Collections panel, I have this For Instagram folder. So once I have imported or synchronized the image that I want to upload, I simply drag it over to the Instagram folder. And now you can see that I've got two photos here, two collages. Now you can also see that this folder has this little kind of lightning bolt to its left. That means that it is configured to automatically upload to my Lightroom account and synchronize onto my phone. So let me start by showing you how you set up this connection, and then I'll show you how to select the collections that you want to synchronize to your phone. Then I'll move over to a video feed from my phone and show you what that looks like. So I'm going to begin by hovering up here at the top left corner. This might say Lightroom. It might have your logo if you've set up the identity plate. I am going to click on this drop down arrow and I'll select Sync with Lightroom Mobile. So you can see that mine is already running, but if not, you would click on it and you would be prompted to possibly enter your username and password for Adobe. Now, if you're connected to Creative Cloud, that's probably already set up for you. So you would just turn this on. Now, the way that you synchronize photos to Lightroom is to add them to collections. So let me scroll down here to my collections panel. You can't at this time, unfortunately, use smart collections. That would really simplify the process. Instead, you have to use an old-fashioned collection. You can set up a new collection by clicking on this plus sign, Create Collection, and then you would type in the name. So you can see I've got For Instagram here. That name could be whatever you would want it to be. And then as you set it up, you're going to make sure that this Sync with Lightroom Mobile is selected. Now, once it's set up, it's going to look like these photos over here, or like these collections over here in my collections panel. You can also click right here if you've got a collection that you want to synchronize after the fact. So as you see, you need to click on the collection and then you can click in that box right there. Now I'm going to turn this one off because I do want to stop syncing. So in my For Instagram folder, I have got these two images. So now I'm going to switch the feed over to my phone and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here I am on my phone. I'm going to go to my photography folder and you'll see here that I've already installed the Lightroom app. I've already set up my account with it. So if you're installing it for the first time, it's going to ask you to log in using that same user ID and password that you use to get into the Creative Cloud. Now, once you are in Lightroom, you'll look for the home page, which you may or may not be in, and you can see your collections that have set up to be synchronized down here at the bottom. Now, it automatically has just imported this second photo that I just created, this collage that I've just created, and sent to Instagram. From here, I can use the share button at the top right corner. I'll select the maximum available image size. And then I will scroll over to import to Instagram. And here you go. This takes you directly to the Instagram app. The photo will appear. You can apply a filter, but we're probably not doing that. You can hit the next button, write your caption, your hashtags, and all that sort of thing, and then share it. So if you have Lightroom that's connected to the Lightroom app on your phone, the older versions of Lightroom won't do it, but the new ones certainly will. You can easily synchronize your photos this way. So it can be hard, as we all know, to get photos from your computer to Instagram, but this is another option to make it somewhat easier. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.